Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to install simple voice chat on Minecraft. Okay, first things first, access your Aternos server dashboard. Here in the dashboard, find and click on Software. After that, choose one of the following mod loaders, which are Spigot, BookKit, or Paper. In here, Paper is highly recommended, but any of this will work. To proceed, select the Minecraft version you want to use. In this tutorial, we will just use version 1.18.1. Click Next, and then click the download button to download the selected server software. On your server dashboard again, go to the plugin section. Search for the Open Audio MC plugin and click on it. Choose the latest version of the plugin, which is usually at the top, and click Download again. Wait for the download to complete, and after that, just start your Minecraft server. In the server dashboard, go to Server and click Start. Confirm by clicking Yes, Start Server. Select the server you just added and click Join Server. In Minecraft, type the following command, /OA accept. This command indicates that you accept the server's term and condition. To enable voice chat, type /OA voice. You'll be prompted to join a voice chat session, so just click Enter and confirm by clicking Activate Session. After that, click Join Voice Chat. And that's it. Hopefully, this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now install simple voice chat on Minecraft. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.